Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and this is part 2 of respraying my rims from the old color I sprayed them to the new rose gold color. And this is one that I did. It came out pretty good to me. I got some other little parts I got to fix, and I got to put the clear coat on it. This is just paint. This is not the clear coat yet. This is one I'm about to start on. I got the index cards right here so the paint won't get on the tire. And this is the other one I did. You can see right here some of the paint, but I'm gonna get that off right there. Get that off. And do a little something with this one. It got little spots in it, so we're gonna fix them up. But we're gonna start on this one and the other one, and stay tuned. All right guys, I got the index cards on here. I'm about to start spraying this one. All right guys, this is the first coat. We let it sit for like 15-20 minutes and come back and hit it again. Okay, this one, same thing for it. All right, first coat. All right, guys. Here's the finished product. Rose Gold SS Camaro wheels. I'm gonna clean all this up right here. All the overspray, I'm cleaning all the overspray up. But tell me what y'all think about it. It's not professional, but look pretty good to me. Also, in the next video, I will be putting some clear coat over these rims so they won't peel and they'll be protected from the elements. The paper, the things. But yeah, guys, can't wait to see how they're gonna look on my Monte Carlo. You give me a thumbs up if you like them, thumbs down if you don't. But I'm putting them on my car anyway. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. Until the next video, I will be clearing these rims with some clear coat. All right.